Let's get it, man. First time driving the Hellcat. Fun. Normal. Damn. You hear it? What's good, everybody? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you guys can see behind me, yeah, that ain't no normal charger right there, man. You guys see it. We got a very special review for you guys today, because as you can see, that's that Hellcat, baby. Shout out to Tall Guy Car Reviews. This is the owner of the Hellcat right here, my man Los. I'm gonna put his IG and everything on the screen, you know what I'm saying? So you guys go follow him, Team SRT. Yeah. You guys see it. So you just took delivery of this thing, yeah?
Yeah, like 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
Yeah, 3 days ago. And
he used to be the owner of 392 SCATPAK 2019. Yeah. But some unfortunate stuff happened with that, so you know what I'm saying? But look at him now, man. Big glow up. Yeah. That's right. So you guys see it, man, the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat, man, I'm so used to saying SCATPAK. The 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat Widebody. You guys see the fender flares and all that, the front grille, and pretty much, I mean, aside from the hood, it looks pretty much the same. You guys see it. You already know, if you're familiar with the content. I got a Widebody Scat 2020 as well, and aside from the hood, which actually makes it look a lot better, yeah, that hood, bro, makes it look way more aggressive. Yeah. That shit's hard. But aside from that, I mean, it's pretty much the same as the Scat on the outside.
Yeah, it's everything the same, except for the hood. That's the only thing that changed.
Yeah, that's the only difference. Same wheels. No, actually, you might have different wheels. Yeah, you got different wheels right there, and don't mind, you know, you guys can see the sky and stuff. There's a bunch of fires all around California, so, you know what I'm saying, they ain't the cleanest right now, but, you know, we work with what we got, man. But as you guys can see, that's the difference right there. The wheels are a little different. But other than that, I mean, other than that in the hood, it's pretty much the same. They got the new front grille, no more snorkels. That's different. You guys see the fender flares. Obviously the Hellcat badge right there, let you know. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. The red Brembo brakes, brake calipers. You see it, 6-piston in the front, 4-piston in the back. And my man just got the fresh new tint. Looking nice. That shit makes it look way better, especially because it's white. Even the windshield's tinted. Sheesh, can't even see him in the whip. It's all pretty much the same on the outside. Let's hop up on the inside, show them what's good on the inside. Boom. Okay. Bloody Mary on the inside. You guys see it? Now this is a little different because you got the the Laguna leather, huh? Laguna. Damn, that shit's soft as hell too. My bad, I'm all caressing your seats and shit.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, mi scusi.
Oh, no.
Mi scusi.
Hey, this shit's soft as hell though. Damn. That's nice, bro. So it's the Laguna leather. I got the Alcantara suede with the Napa leather in mine, as you guys know. And then look, you got the little red lining on the outside of the mats. Yeah. Got the little red SRT. Yours came with the stock red to push the start button. I had to put that one in mine. And then, oh, you got the red on the dash too? I ain't got that. Yeah, other than that, pretty much the same in here, huh? How you liking it so far, dude?
That's pretty fun.
Pretty fun?
Pretty fun.
Yes,
fun
sir.
Car.
You've been, how many miles you got on it?
I'm at 700 and something already.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Jeez,
so just broke it in, yeah.
That's right. Damn near like the horsepower on it. Yeah. Let them know, because you didn't go the traditional route and just like wait till you were at 500. My man was out here doing burnouts at.
First day I got it, I was messing around with it.
Yes, sir. He don't wait to live his life, bro. Shit, you want to go on a ride?
Yeah, we'll go on a ride.
All right, let's get it then, man. My boy Lo said he's gonna let me drive. Oh, sheesh. First time in the Hellcat. Hell yeah, appreciate it, bro. Okay, you guys see it? Alright. Oh, you got the memory seats on. Strap up. You guys seen a red key in use? It's official. You guys see it? Alright. Hell yeah, you guys seen a little Hellcat pop up? Ooh, we'll hit that track. I'll be careful, bro, you know? I know this is your baby, you just got it. Alright, let's get it, man. First time driving the Hellcat. Well, the steering wheel feels a little different. Got the white stitching on it. It feels the same, but you could automatically tell, like I barely stepped on it, but I could automatically tell. I don't know if it's because I know, but I could tell I just have like that much more power, bro.
More power, baby.
It feels like you got that fucking power.
Yeah, you feel it right away.
Yeah, for real, and I haven't even touched the gas yet. Damn, bruh. I don't know if it's a good idea for me to drive this shit. Now I'm gonna want to get a Hellcat. The Hellcat. Oh, I need to get me some of these paddle shifters. These ones are a little bigger.
Yeah, like a little more chunky.
They're a little more chunky, yeah. They even have a different shape to them. Fuck, bro, you're right. I don't even know if I was halfway on the gas right there, dude. Fuck, that's crazy. That's like full power in the 392 right there. Sheesh. How's the handling on it? Have you done like turning and all that?
I haven't done turning, not that much.
Because that's one thing I did hear is that like Scats do have better handling than the Hellcats. Because these ones are a little, they got a little more weight. I think even the suspension's a little different if I'm not mistaken. Fuck, bro, that was a quarter pedal right there, dude. That's why you don't want to go full throttle on it, huh?
You gotta get used to it.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, these things, hey, if you don't know how to drive, these things are freaking dangerous. Like for someone that's not experienced at all, the turning radius is about the same. These things don't have good turning radius on the Chargers. Fuck, mean old shit. Yeah, it doesn't seem as tight. The steering seems a little more loose. Play with these paddle shifters. Oh, and you hear that shit when you downshift too? Man, I'll be doing that all day, bro, just to hear it.
The whine.
This thing is dope. How's the gas, dude, compared to your 392?
Wastes way more than the 392.
Way more?
Yeah.
Fuck. And the three,
because I'm always stepping on it. So
to hear that whine, huh?
Yeah.
Different beast right here, man. Now I'm gonna hop back in my whip and be like, man.
Yeah, feel the difference right away.
I would feel the difference, bro, and be all depressed. Does this this one rev a little higher than the Scat Packs?
I think just a little bit. I think
It does, huh? Because I
Yeah.
see right here it goes a little further down than when the red's at. Look, it even feels like when you're not losing traction, it feels like you are a little bit. Fuck. That
it's like
thing
it's
is-
sliding.
It feels like it's sliding a little bit, like if it's just gliding along the street. Damn, that's that next level power right there. Oh, I didn't even have the window down for you guys to hear that shit. Cool if I just go that way and then come back around? That way they get a little sound. Yeah, this is probably the fastest car I ever drove, dude. To be honest. 700 horsepower, bro. I ain't never drove a car like that. Hell yeah. Historical type of day right here. Have a lot of people been asking you to drive it?
Well, no, not really.
They're like, oh, gotta respect it. But they've been asking to go on rides though, huh?
Yeah. I took quite a bit of people already.
Hella people.
Yeah.
Bro, you could legit probably charge people to fucking take them on a ride in this shit. Okay, I see you play it. And for some reason, I don't know if I'm tripping, maybe because we're a little higher, it feels a little bigger in here, dude.
It does.
So all that's pretty much the same except the power's different. You ain't got the power option in the 392. Got the white stitching. Did it just come with white stitching?
Yeah, it came with white stitching.
That's weird because mine comes with the red stitching with the red interior.
No, mine came with the white stitching all around.
I wonder if like they matched that off the color you got on the exterior or if that's just how it comes.
I think they might have.
Maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, and that's another difference too. You have plastic right here on the bottom. Mine's just like leather all the way through. Steering wheel, yeah, it has a different shape to it as well.
Yeah, it's like a little more bigger.
Bigger, huh? Wider?
Yeah.
CT4? Oh, you don't want it? Yeah, I would be spending way too much money on gas in this shit. You can't drive this shit and not hit it, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Damn.
It's a must.
Yeah, definitely need some better tires though, for sure. That way you could have a little more fun with it without killing yourself. Cause yeah, you can't, bro. I didn't even push halfway down, like coming from this type of speed right here, and that motherfucker was spinning. Yeah, this thing's badass though, man. It's the first wide body charger I seen, actually. Now that I think about it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, first wide body charger I seen, other than mine, and this one's a Hellcat. There it is, guys. My boy let me drive his whip. Appreciate that, bro. That was a monumental moment right there. First time driving the Hellcat. All right, let's get it. Going on a little ride, man. Now I would say this is my first time in a Hellcat, but I did get a ride at the Cars and Coffee the other day. Got a little ride, but you know, go on another one. That whine though. Damn, I ain't gonna tell you guys the speed, but bro, I thought we were going like 60.
It's so quick.
It does, dude, and you don't even feel it. It doesn't even feel like you're going that fast.
Like you're just cruising.
Yeah.
Yeah, like when I first drove it, like when I got it from the dealership, like it felt exactly the same as the SCATPACK.
Yeah.
It's just a little more sensitive. Like the gas was more sensitive and the brakes were more sensitive.
Oh, okay.
Because on mine I have the 4-piston brakes.
Oh, okay. So now you got the 6s up front. I can't even imagine, because I know when I got mine, I was like, damn, that pedal's like, you know, responsive.
Yeah.
That shit throws you in the back. So I've never driven a Hellcat, so I don't know how it is with the Hellcats. So were you all the way down on the pedal right there?
I was like halfway.
Damn. And that shit still throws your head in the back of the seat. That's crazy.
Feel a little too scared kind of to push it all the way down.
Because of the traction thing? Yeah, it's
I get a
true.
little more used to it. Once
Right.
I'm more used to it, then I'll be able
There you go.
to get it full throttle.
Yeah, I feel you. So have you gone full throttle at all yet?
No, I like gone halfway, almost full throttle, but not all the way.
Okay. That's how you know you got power, bro, when you can't even go full throttle in the whip. You've been getting tested a lot?
Yeah, like when I'll be driving around, people want to be racing. I was like, before I broke it in, I told them, like, nah, I can't.
Yeah.
It's not broken in, you know?
Yeah.
No, that's broken in now.
Now you can give them all the smoke.
Yeah.
So you've been driving it in track all the time?
Just once in a while, like, I mainly go on my custom.
Oh, okay. What's your custom in it?
I have it on eco, so I don't waste as much gas.
Oh, okay. So what's it in right now?
Right now, it's in track.
Oh, all right.
Track.
I was about to say, you got it in eco right now?
No, nah.
I was like, fuck, I don't even want to see what track's like. So track is the only one you get the full 707?
I can switch it, like, I'll just go on here and then go on the theme. I can just go on custom.
Oh, okay.
And then there, I can just click them, and it'll let me switch it all up.
Oh, so you could put the 707 on
I
at
could
any
put it,
time? Oh, I didn't
Anytime I
know
want,
that.
I could put it on there.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Like right now it's just at
500.
Yeah, you'll still be able to feel it, but
Dude, oh, then we should race, bro, with this in 500.
yeah, and see how it comes out.
Yeah, and then also in 707, see how much you got me by. See how many buses you put on me. Yeah, man, there it is. There you guys have it. I mean, what is there to say that hasn't already been said, bro? This is a crazy vehicle. Like I said, I didn't even get halfway down on the gas pedal. Like legit, I didn't get halfway down. It was like a little more than quarter was the most that I went, and that thing was spinning. It was spinning tires, obviously, and these things have the 305s on them. Pirellis ain't the best, but they're brand new, dude. Like you said, you've had it for 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days.
So you got all the tread on there, and these things spinning quarter of the way down. This thing is dope. I would say the handling is a little better. I'll get your opinion because you're about to drive that one, so he'll be able to tell you guys. But from my perspective, I think the handling on this one is a little better on the Scat. This one, obviously, way more power than this. Like, not even a little bit. You barely hit the gas on this one, and you feel like you're wide open throttle on this one. But we're about to get a run in with this one in the black with the black key versus mine, you know, track mode and all that. So we'll see how it compares. Should be a good one, you know, because this one is a little lighter, I believe. But yeah, man, you guys see it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get me one. Yeah, bro, I appreciate you letting me drive it. Hell yeah, go follow my boy right here, LouieXIII. Got a lot of content coming with the Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to miss out, bro. You gonna create a YouTube and all that too, or what?
I'm not sure yet.
You might as well, man. You know? But yeah, man, stay tuned, man, because you're for sure gonna be posting pictures and videos.
Pictures, videos, and all that.
Yeah, to the IG. So like I said, I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. Go follow him. Other than that, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Oh wait, forgot to do my whole little fucking plugs and shit. If you guys enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Tell me what I can improve on, and I'll get it done for you guys. All the likes and subscriptions help out tremendously. You know, we're just trying to grow, and you know what I'm saying? The quicker we grow, the quicker we can get one of these on the channel, man. Because, you know, I ain't trying to get rid of the 392. I don't know, I just can't get rid of that one. But, you know, if we could bring this one to the channel as well, then you already know we're all about it. So, like, subscribe, help us grow, man, and we'll get to the top. We'll have all these whips. But yeah, dope ass car. All the links to everything I use and recommend in the description down below. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, go down there in the description. It's all there for you guys. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. Catch you guys on the next one. My boy LouieXIII. Yes, sir. There it is.